So, you got yourself a Q-Span system. Congratulations on the addition of automated metrology to your manufacturing processes. As you may expect, this isn't what a Q-Span system looks like right off the shipping pallet. To get the different components of the workstation running smoothly, and to start up the kit's demo program, some installation is going to be required.
Roll the table on its wheels to your desired location. Adjustable rubber blocks are at the foot of each leg for additional stability once the workstation is in place.
Use this included bubble level to get your table oriented just right. Having a level workstation may prevent errors that will arise while running your programs. Once the workstation is level and secure, we can get to installing the cobot. From the separate shipment from Universal Robots, locate this bracket and its mounting hardware.
Attach it to the crossbar located under the table. Before the screws are completely tightened, adjust the bracket to be centered on the crossbar. Then add the necessary torque to secure the bracket in place. The control box for the Universal Robot slides right onto this bracket. 3 cables get attached to this control box. The cable from the robot's arm, the AC cord, and inside the box is the Ethernet port. The Ethernet cable can be fed through the hole at the bottom of the control box and the other end attached to your PC. Lastly, plug the control box into the station's power strip and the station into a wall outlet.
Next, it's time to install the robot arm. Grab your Universal Robot and align these 2 holes with the pre-installed dowels located on the tabletop.
Make sure that the base of the robot is in fact on the dowels, preventing the base from rotating. Also make sure the robot's cable extends toward the back of the table.
Once the base is set on the dowels, secure it to the tabletop using these 4 M6x30 screws found in the Q-Span accessory kit. Now that the robot's on the workstation, we can install the multi-tool mount and new scale grippers. First is the multi-tool mount, so grab this box. Inside the box, locate the MTM Quick Start Guide for detailed instructions on installation.
The new scale grippers then get attached to the MTM. In order to run the kit's demo program, the orientation of the grippers is important. Each gripper will have different fingertips and correspond to a different placement on the MTM. See the included Q-Span manual for these placements as well as instructions on installing the fingertips.
So now you've set up your Universal Robots cobot with an MTM and 3 NSRPGs. In order to use these peripherals with the Universal Robot, you're going to have to install their UR-CAP software through the UR Teach pendant. For detailed instructions on doing this, see each device's Quick Start Guide.
In the Q-Span installation guide, see instructions for installing the Q-Span software to your PC and installing the Q-Span demo scripts to the Teach pendant.
So up to this point, you've set up the UR robot with NewScale's end effectors, you've installed the UR caps through the teach pendant, and you can run the Q-Span software on your PC. Now, we just have to attach the trays, load the sample parts, and set up the reference blocks.
Also in this step, we'll attach the dead nest. This is done with dowels as well as screws. See the Q-Span Installation manual for exact positioning of the dead nest. Before running the kit's demo program, calibration of the grippers is required, as well as position verification of all the system's components. This is done using a number of programs included on the Q-Span kit's USB stick. The Q-Span installation guide can run you through the step-by-step procedure of calibrating each NewScale gripper. After calibration is complete, there is a verification process used to determine that the robot as well as all the kit's accessories are aligned correctly so that the program can run smoothly. Detailed instructions for this are also included in the Q-Span manual. After calibration and position verification, the demo program is ready to run. By this point, your system is ready for you to get to work customizing your own programs and setups for measuring your own parts. Don't hesitate to call NewScale Robotics if further support is needed.